Hello, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. How are you doing?
I'm also fine, ma'am. Ma'am, tell me about your organization.
Ma'am, I come from Tagore Public School.
Okay.
It is basically situated in Gurugram,
Okay.
and it's one of the institutions which we have in Haryana.
Okay.
Basically, we have 4 schools. So the entire chain of Tagore group of schools is 26 years old.
Okay. So there are a few questions that I would like to ask. That how you involve parents and the community to the educational system and the school activities.
I think everything starts from goal setting.
Okay.
So when a child comes to another grade level, so we have an individual meeting session with parents to help them understand that it is very, very important for them to set goals with their child. So the child needs to understand what academic goals I need to achieve, what social goals I need to achieve, so that the parent is involved in the process of collecting evidences for the child.
Yes.
So whether the child wants to be better in a particular subject or improve his handwriting or to be able to be better at public speaking skills, the parent also needs to pitch in to help the teacher identify that these are the areas we together need to work on. So I think this is the best way of involving parents into the child's growth.
Okay. And how do you support and develop their teaching faculty so that they can provide the best knowledge and best learning to these students?
I think training is one thing which is happening throughout the year, and a lot of peer feedback happens.
Okay.
So that the teachers are able to identify what are their training needs. And then we have that feedback session that these are the areas where I need to work upon, or I need some improvement, or maybe I'm not so good at it. I really need to learn it afresh. Sometimes we need to unlearn something and learn it again. So that is how we do it. And during our PR sessions also, we ask teachers, what areas do you think you want to be trained upon? So whether it is internally or externally, we outsource people to. And internally also, maybe one teacher is very good at something. So she may conduct sessions for the teachers to train them.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time.
Thank you so
And
much.
what have your experience so far for this event?
I'm very happy because I myself have been connected to skill development at school level as a teacher also. Even as a student, when I was a student, I always focused on what skill am I learning? Why this textbook has been given to me? Where will I apply it?
Yeah.
Right? So as a student, I was always focused on skill building. As a teacher, I was always focused on skill building, and I'm happy so many people are talking about it now.
Okay.
So it's not an individual war for me right now. I think I'm a part of the war.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
Nice
you.
to have you here.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless.